Home sales hit a 2-year high in the last stretch of 2024. Why and how? One of the biggest things right now is that mortgage rates has been high, the affordability of houses has been high, and the home stretch of 2024 gives us relief on the unknown of who's going to be the next elected president. And so one thing that I've been mentioning for the prior year is that 2024 will be a cusp year in regards to home sales because of the unknown. People in America hate the unknown variable, and they also hate change. They like to know what's in front of them. And I said, a Democrat or Republican, it didn't matter who it was going to be. Right after the election, we would see an increase in home sales and buyers entering back into the market. And to my prediction, it's true. According to the National Association of Home Buyers, we have had the highest home sales in over 2 years, increasing by over 15% in nearly 2 years. Now, there's two contributors to this. One does have to do with post-election, but the other variable has to do with stabilizing economic variables, including interest rates and home prices. Home prices are still going up, but predictions are 2% increases year over year on 2025. So in spite of us still seeing inflationary values go up and home prices, we are starting to see them stabilize in more of a reasonable threshold in comparison to prior years. And so 2025 is predicted to be one of the strongest years in over 26 months. And so home investors, home buyers, the time is now. Mortgage rates have went from 7% and stabilized down at 6%. We're starting to see stabilized mortgage rates throughout the industry nationwide. And because of that, we're starting to see an increase of home sales. Now, 2025 is expected on pre-existing homes to see an increase of homes sold of 7 to 12% on pre-existing homes. Now, on new builds, we're expected to see a 12 to 15% influx of new home sales going to the market. Now, the benefit to what's happened is there is still a housing crisis where there is over 6.7 million homes that are needed today to fulfill the current market. But in spite of that, because of the slowdown in the market over the last 2 years, there's excess inventory in the market that builders have been able to catch up on in spite of them slowing their build process. So we're predicting 2025 and 2026 absorption years for the existing inventory, which is part of the reason that home prices are stabilizing closer to the 2% growth. What does that mean for 2027? Well, we don't know yet, but our predictions is that we will start seeing an inflated cost for homes in 2027, which means if you're an end user, an end buyer, or a seller, 2025 and 2026 are two great years to enter the market for resale purposes to find better affordability and more inventory to enter the market. So if you're buying land, you're building houses, the time is now. It's not what you should be investing in, but how you should be investing. And right now is the time to start investing in single-family real estate because of where the market is and projected to go over to the next 2 years in 2025 and 2026. Now, we've been buying land and building houses for over 28 years. And one of the things that I could tell you from over 28 years of experience in 3 market corrections that we've been a part of is that we have went through the hardest of the downturn in the residential sector. Now, in the commercial sector, we're going to see some catastrophic numbers in regards to financially distressed assets over the next 2 years. And because of that, it's time to buy commercial assets at a discounted price, but it's really time to put the pedal to the metal in single-family residential dwellings. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go out, buy land, and build houses. Over 2 market corrections, one of the biggest things that I've learned is that you have to service those people who have expendable capital. It constitutes for 24% of our entire home buying population. Now, with that said, we're going to see quicker sales on median homes and more of them selling in 2025 than we have in over 2 years. But there's a lack of inventory in the upper median homes. Those are homes that are in excess of 2,500 square feet, all the way up to 3,500 square feet. Homes that are priced in excess of $500,000, all the way up to $1.2 million. That is the sweet spot for largest profitability in the single family market today. So the time is now for you to start entering the market. If you took your foot off the pedal over the last 2 years while the market has compressed, it's time to get back in the market and start paying attention to profits right now. Right now is the time to invest, ladies and gentlemen. If you wait for 2 years, you're going to miss the boat. You're going to miss the re-entry of the residential market. You should have never taken your foot off the pedal, and you should have paid attention for the last 2 years. It's a monetary stretch that we usually run through on these market corrections. And if you always service the upper middle class and you stay out of the median home home sector, your profitability increases. So if the compression makes the profits go down, you have enough upside that you still have a handsome profit on upper median homes in comparison to the median and lower median homes that most people would otherwise consider to be the safe place to invest. It's not. It's upper median homes. And ladies and gentlemen, with mortgage rates stabilizing right now today, and with more people entering the market, the time is now to build, to sell, and to profit. For more content, more information about the current state of the market and where and how to invest, click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash that thumbs up button, and I'm going to recommend 2 other videos on how to buy land, build houses at the end of this video. But go out, make 2025 your best year ever. Start investing and always go out and compound your success. We'll see you next time.